Morning guys, it's been a long time coming to make a video. It's my birthday today, 19th of November, and we just got down to Reef headland, so suss this out, should be sick. There's a big fucking hill, there's a golf course over there, looking sick. It's the headland. Now I didn't quite get the initial sunrise, but here she is. Oh no, let's get some things set up. Try and get some wide shots. Right, well I've got a couple of photos of the sunrise, but I'm already distracted by birds. I saw like some flying around. Don't know what they are yet, but I'm hoping to get like some Osprey or something like that would be sick. That is sick. A few Ospreys flying around. Hectic. I'll just make my way out to this edge. Those Ospreys were hectic. They've sort of gone away now, but they flew around in circles for ages. So hopefully I've got some really good shots. Spray and pray. What a cool spot. This is so awesome. And a great way to spend your birthday, I'll tell you that for free. I think I got some, yeah, he's got some landscape shots as well. Just throw it in the mix. I'm no landscape photographer, but yeah, may as well try and get some shots. Just picked up a silver gull. Of course, you got to check that off while I'm down here anyway. Have a go at the scenery. Oh, there's a silver gull. Look at him. Here's my new backpack, which my wife got me. Very, very, very happy man. It's so hectic. Holds the whole body and lens in one thing. Plenty of pockets and space, and it's got a nice aluminium frame for support and stuff, so really comfortable. Testing it out today. Oh, I've got Mr. Magpie over there. Try and get a shot of him. There he goes. Some information here about the migratory shorebirds. Pretty sick. Bar-tailed godwit, double-banded plover, eastern golden plover, grey-tailed tattler, redneck stint, ruddy turnstone. Cool. Alright, so I've just got back to the car now. I actually bumped into a local photographer, and he's given me the rundown on the Ospreys and all these different points that he's seen them, and so that's good. That is hectic. Come back to the car to get some food as well. Sandwich and pasito. Head back down now, check out some of these spots. Right, I'm back down by the beach again, but just get distracted by superb fairy wrens. I'm sitting here on the side of this thing here, and all I want to do is shoot fairy wrens. But that's a sick photo. Nice and crispy, hopefully. Alright, time to have a little bite to eat and a drink. You want some of this? Hey. Put that little bit of bread on my knee. I'm gonna take it. Of course. There you go, bud. What's your name? Couple of more, ready for some food. If I sit it on my boot. Pretty cool. Yeah, you guys have been learning too much from the seagulls. Alright, little update after lunch. Yeah, the Ospreys are back. Wow. They've just been circling around here. Around and around. I was up there before, but decided to come down here for a bit. Alright, so I got informed by another local, some old fella. He suggested I go out this way and sort of head up towards that end over there. So I shall do that. See, this is why you pay attention to the locals. They fucking know everything. Sure enough, Osprey up here perched on these two little trees coming up. I'm gonna try and get a shot of that. It's up there. Yeah. I think he's eating a fish. Very cool. Let's climb up here. Let's try and get a better. Fuck. Oh fuck, there's one right there. Just right there. Oh. Did not see him. It's literally just in there. Well, he's flown off now. Probably got sick of me. But old mate's still up there. But wow. It's incredible. What an awesome day. Yes. Alright, got some sick shots. Let's fucking head back down now. This is a little bit dicey. Oh fuck. Gotta sort of hold on to this and then back down. Oh. Well. Tell you what, these bloody Columbia shoes are handy. That was awesome. Just keep wandering along. There he is, the other Osprey up there. He's done with his fish. He's just been chilling. What a view. A little bit sketch coming up here. There he is. It's actually really hot now, almost midday. Oh, I need to get back down this. If I got myself up, I can get myself back down. Oh. Oh, things we do for birding. But I've got so many good photos now of this Osprey. Oh god, oh, this is not fun. Not fun at all. Fuck. Well, made it down alive. It's really not the best to be climbing on shit like that, but fuck, it's just, I don't know, I need to get the shots. So to get the shots, I'm gonna fucking go up there. And as you'd imagine, it's much harder coming back down that stuff than going up. So yeah, just walking back along the shore now. I'm gonna go up and might head back to the car for a bit, cool down, 'cause it's quite hot. Sweat my ass off, and get some water, have some food, maybe put the aircon on for a bit, and yeah, see if I come back out later or not. But yeah, got some excellent shots, really cool shots of those Osprey. I can't believe it. Like, first day I've seen them, first day coming here. We've got to thank the locals, I suppose, for the good information they provide. Yeah, hectic. Really happy days. I've literally walked up and down here, I don't know, fucking at least four or five times today already. Up and down, trying to look around for different stuff. I tell you, if you like steps, this is the place to come, man. Oh, I'm so unfit. Ridiculous. Right, so decided to cool down in the car for a little bit. As you can see, the face is pretty fucking all burnt or puffed out, red, either. But probably gonna wrap it up. Hey, I don't really have it in me to keep going, so I might call it there, and we'll get back home, do some editing and stuff, and see what we got. But I'm really stoked to get the Osprey stuff. Pretty cool, pretty fucking cool. Hey guys, how we going? It's been a few days later now. Got a haircut, beard trimmed, looking less like a caveman. Just want to say, in regards to the video I've just made, again, the sort of stuff that I was climbing on and up and down these cliff faces, look, it's pretty sketchy, and I don't really recommend it. Just be careful out there, guys. Like, I know it's hard because you want to get these amazing shots, and you do whatever it takes, but all it takes is like a little slip up, and I could have been severely injured. So yeah, food for thought. Just take it easy out there. Don't do anything stupid. Make sure you're with someone as well. Like I go out solo a lot, and you just think like anything can happen out there. So just stay safe, but enjoy yourself as well. So yeah, I'll say that. Thank you.